Hi, what is up, good people? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscription button. If you're a returning subscriber, kindly like the video, comment, and also thank you for always clicking and watching my videos. Yeah, if you're new here, my good name is Daisy Smack. What's up, my good people? As you've read as per the title, you already know where we're heading to. And guys, I'm so excited, or rather we are so excited because sometimes life can be so hard and can treat us so bad. Yeah, so when you get a chance to be happy, we take that as a privilege, guys. So guys, and don't mind my trouser. If you've not watched my video from the Mount Longonot, guys, I fell from when I was going down from the hiking, so don't mind me. Yeah, currently we are in Lake Naivasha. So we're going home. Hey, the view. We are watching the sunset from the bird. The view is, look at the view.
Haya, kuna deal hapa.
Unatoka peke yako. Unaona hey. Hey, mbona you are glowing? Hey. Gwashe. Nitakutumia. Where's the other life jacket? Where kuna mwingine ana jacket? Where's my jacket ingine au jacket? Give me this. Yes. We are about to go for boat riding in Lake Naivasha. Guys, they're not fit. Oh. Me. The blue one.
Haya, Franku kaya hapo. Franku hapo tu afika.
Hey, okay. Hey guys. Hi. How are you? How are you guys? Are you guys fine? Hey. Hey, you guys.
Wow.
We're so excited. I'm so excited, by the way. This is my second time doing boat riding in Lake Naivasha. Guys, bye bye. Hello, why are you bored? This is what will be happening. We'll be going to see hippos, and later on we go to the highland. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Woo! We are taking off. Here's our driver, our captain. Pardon the noise. Annie! Guys, also from here you can see the sunset. I don't know whether you can see it from here, but you can see the sunset. Hey, the views, guys, the views. Let's go see some hippos. others are over there. There, yeah, there. That's them. That's them. And we're wearing this for safety in case of, you don't know how to swim and something happens over there. You never know. In this life, we risk a lot, by the way, to enjoy life. But anyway, let's enjoy life.
Yo.
Yo.
What about people?
The sunset, guys, the sunset over there. Let me zoom. You can see the sunset. Yeah. Boat 1, boat 2, boat 3. Ish. Travelers. Maisha mafupi ni sipo. Yani nini tesekero. Hi. Bye bye. See you. See you. Woo. Hey, we are enjoying. Woo. Life. This is how like Naivasha looks like from here, guys. Look at them. Over there we have ostriches and some other birds, which I don't know the names. Yeah, and also some people there fishing. Hey guys, after this we're going to eat fresh fish from the lake. Fresh fish from the lake. Yeah, and there's the sunset. Oh God, I'm loving this. Look at that. This is so amazing. Eish. There are the others. Enjoy the sunset. Enjoy the sunset. Enjoy. Where you guys headed to? They compete with them. We are the fastest. We are the fastest. We are the fastest. Hey, hapa ni moto. Guys, what we are literally doing right now, we are going oh my god, we are leaving the boat. We are in kind of a island somewhere, going to see the water birds, yeah, and take some few photos with them. Yeah, let's go, let's enjoy the adventure together. Wow, they look like cows from afar, right? From afar they look like cows, but when you come closer to them, their heads look like goats. They look like goats or gazelle, whatever. Let's find out. Let's find out how they look like. The highland looks nice. Yo. Let's find out how they look like. They look like cows or donkeys. Sindio? Yeah, donkeys. Although the donkeys are a little bit higher. Guys, this is how they look like. Comment down there. Have you ever seen a waterbuck before? This is how they look like. Free adventure, eh? Free adventure. Here they are. They are waterbucks. They are not donkeys. They are not cows. They are not goats. Yeah. Waterbucks. They are known as waterbucks. Yes. So this one over here have horns, and that one doesn't have horns. So I have heard that these are the male ones. These are the female ones. Hey, that's new. That's new. Let me go closer a little bit. You can notice the horns from, yeah, the horns are there. The horns. This one doesn't have horns. This one. Well, yeah, this is the female one. This is the male one. And they are young ones chilling with the waterbirds. Do they swim? Hey, do they swim? They swim during the night. Only during the night. Guys, we are learning. Each and every day we learn new things, right? Waterbirds, chilling with the waterbirds. So guys, funny thing, I've been told that this one is the father of all of these ones. Like, he has many wives. As you can see, the horns are taller than the other one, than the other male that I've shown you. This is the father of all of them, and he has so many wives. Yeah, this one over here. Kids chilling with the waterbirds. Look at this one over here. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh my god. I'm just so happy by them. I've never seen them one-on-one, but today I got the opportunity to see them. I'm so impressed. Yeah, and thanks to God. Yeah, the sunset. Oh my god, look at that. I'm also enjoying sunset, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. Eish. The sun is sunsetting. Alafu, hey, can you see? Like, looks like the horizon in the morning under the water. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is the best thing that I've shot today. Yeah, together with the waterbirds. They're just chilling. Sun-kissed. We're going back to the boat. We head to the hippos. We go see hippos one-on-one. I've never seen them. It's my first time here. No, not here, like seeing them. I've been here, but I've never gone the side of the hippos. So let's go enjoy. You've seen the waterbucks. Even if you've never seen them one-on-one, you've seen them in my video today. Yeah, back to the boat. Let's go see the hippos. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen a hippo? We have never.
Imagine afanya mtu aparare.
Ni achungu.
Acha nionje nikwambie.
We are going to see hippopotamus.
Hata sijasikia inakuja.
Hippopotamus.
Nimeonja.
Wewe.
Acha nione imagine wazazi. Mtu azikufa. I taste kitu yote.
This is an hippo right here, but we can't go closer than that. You know how dangerous they are. Yeah. This is a hippo over here. We have another one over there. Over there, yeah, there. But we can't go closer. They are dangerous.
Yeah, they are saying they are so dangerous indeed.
Yeah, indeed they are dangerous. You can see them. Oh my God, there. Yeah, there are two of them there. You can see the three. Yeah. They are so huge. Oh my God. Where? Oh my God, they are so huge. I don't know whether you can see them very well. Where?
There is another there. Yeah, there is no hippo.
There is no hippo.
And this place seems to be so deep indeed. You know that
yeah.
The water here seems to be
deep.
Yeah.
We are just enjoying the boat ride anyways.
This is what we call the boat riding.
Yeah, this is what we call boat riding. Look at that. That's amazing, guys, right?
Nice.
It's nice, I know.
You see that place is
Those are mountains or are hills?
No, they are not mountains.
They are mountains.
They are trees. They are just trees.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah, sure.
This place seems to be so deep.
This place is
The water
deep.
is so
And the water is so cold.
even salty. It's salt water. I think
Salt water.
Yeah.
No, fish does not survive in
It doesn't survive.
salty water. It does, but they do fish here. They do fishing. But you remember, you can't fish at the ocean because the water is salty. You can't eat that fish.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it means they can't survive.
The only fish that is eaten, it's the one that's what do we call it? Marine fishes.
Marine fishes.
Yeah, which survive in what do we call it? Clean water.
Can they survive in clean water?
Like
Stop it.
no.
We are recording
No.
We are recording
No. We don't want that game.
No, wait. Oh yeah. We are recording something here.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. No.
This is
Hey, this is scary.
no, don't do it. Don't do it for real. Don't do it.
Let's go back home.
Let's go back on.
Yeah, let's go back
recording
home.
the video.
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Tushindane. We are not doing. No.
There's no
I'm
hurry.
good.
There's no hurry.
Good. There's no.
This water is so deep.
I
Hey.
want it fresh.
Mshike simu vizuri tafadhali. Kunywa maji.
No.
We.
This is a hippo. Hey, this is a hippo over here.
Direct tusukume tuone kama tutaiona karibu.
Guy, can you see? Aipo, hippopotamus. Guys, I hope up to this far you've liked and commented on the video. Also, if you've not subscribed, you've commented. Thank you for clicking and watching this video. I love you.